Hi sophomores, it is time to complete your quarter 2 Naviance task. Log into Clever with your laptop login and password. Find your Naviance icon in your Clever portal, taking you to your Naviance Student homepage. Scroll down to your important to-dos and tasks, and you are going to complete the game plan survey this quarter. Once you make it to your planner, find that pink arrow and click on Complete the Game Plan Survey. I know you are only sophomores, however, it is not too early to start thinking about what you want to do after you graduate high school. So that first question right there is, what is your general goal after you graduate from high school? It will give you a few options. So, 2-year degree, do you want to start at a school like KCKCC or Johnson County Community College? Are you interested in pursuing your 4-year degree, such as KU, K-State, Park? Are you thinking more of a technical career, so attending KCKCC Tech? Are you interested in the military? Or are you interested in going straight to work after you graduate high school? So we want you to select one of those. And again, you can change this anytime in the next couple years because your plans may change. So as of right now, answer these questions about where you're at for your post-high school graduation plans. It's going to go through and ask you your college interests, if you're interested in college athletics, and if you have references. Once you've made it through all the questions, please hit Save Changes and I'm finished. This should remove the task from your planner. Again, at any point in time in the next couple years, you can go in and edit this plan. If you have any questions or you need some clarification on some questions, please reach out to your advocates, or the College and Career Center is more than willing to help you. Our emails are in the Google Classroom. Feel free to email any one of us and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Have a great day.